Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Okay, the effect has gone. You see, it's just a simple zoom, but many subjects are changing, so let's try to create that. At first we need a slide, you need this picture and this text. The text is just created using Overdrive Sunset as a font, and nothing is special about that. So what make it special? You need to zoom it, you see here, increase its size, and after increasing its size, you need to also increase the size of this thing and copy the text, paste it here. Now let's take a look. You see, it's not perfect. It has some things that needed to fix. So how fix them? The first thing is that we need to increase the time of the transition to 3.5. And here we need to change something about the pictures, reduce the sharpness a little and brightness a little, and add a contrast. Let's take a look. You see, it's look very great. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.